there, jewels! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to unbox a package. And if you guys don't know, nag-influencer ako ng isang Instagram shop, which is the Fashion Trends. And they are also available on Shopee. All the links will be down below. And you can also use my discount code, guys. So, nasa screen lang yan. Ayan, nandiyan lang. Tapos, lalagyan na din sila sa link para hindi nyo sila makalimutan. And, ayun na nga. Without further ado, let's get on to the video! So, this is the box. So, sobrang cutie ng packaging kasi pinag-effortan talaga ng owner. And, hindi ko naaalala na daming sasakyan. Okay, alam ko. Sorry guys sa background ko, sobrang ingay. Pero anyway, yun na nga, as I was saying, hindi ko naaalala na sinabihan ko siya ng favorite color ko, but so cute, diba? So, favorite color ko is blue. So, ayun, shampoo. So, eto na nga, i-unbox na natin. So, by the way pala guys, bago natin i-unbox, this shop is selling trendy hairclips, trendy scrunchies, and soon mag-release na din siya ng trendy clothings and trendy lippies. And you must stay tuned guys, and you must follow and check them out. So, sobrang accommodating din ng seller nila. Tapos, ayun na nga, you can use my code. Eto na, i-unbox na natin siya ng besh. So, ito yung naman niya. Ayun, tapos may letter. Basahin natin. Ito na. Hi gorgeous, thank you for your purchase. We appreciated you trying out our trendy accessories. Hope you will also love these accessories from Fashion Trends. Hope you could leave a positive feedback or review. Thank you so much for the support. Please follow our official social media accounts for more updates and infos. So meron silang Instagram, meron silang FB page, TikTok, and Shopee. So lalagay ko yung mga links down below and you should check them out guys. So ito na, excited ako sa mga scrunchies kasi sila talaga yung mga favorite ko eh. So ito na. So meron tayong black scrunchie. Sobrang cute guys. Tapos ito pa. So iba't ibang kulay yung binili ko. Tapos ito, mga satin. Ang bango ng box. Sorry guys. So ito. Ang dami kong scrunchies na binili. Gusto niyo ba ng giveaway? Wow. Magsa 700 subscriber na ba tayo guys? Gusto niyo ba ng giveaway? Comment down below. So, and 1. Sobrang cute talaga. Tapos 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, di na sila nagpo-focus sa akin. 8. Ayan. So, meron tayong 8 scrunchies. Cutie. Tapos, sobrang stretchable pa nila. Tapos, hindi siya yung manipis lang na, yung garter sa loob, yung pony sa loob. Hindi siya manipis. So, diba? Sobrang trendy nito. Kahit hindi na summer, pwede nyo pa rin ito silang. And, bumili din ako ng clip. So, ito, mga Korean clips. Kasi sobrang classy ng mga ganitong clips. And, try natin sila. So, kinuha ko yung pink. Actually, dapat para sa kay ate ko to eh. Pero, sa akin na lang. So, ayun. So, grilling muna tayo today, guys. And last pala, guys, after nito, is ito. Sobrang So, ito. Bakit ko nga ba ito napili? Actually, hindi talaga ito yung order ko. Pero, ito yung na-type ko na order. So, nagkamali ako. It's my fault, guys. But anyway, pwede pa rin natin siyang magamit. Kasi, sobrang cute nito. And, ayan, rainbow. Wow! Candy. Mukha naman din akong bata. So, karirin na natin. So, ayun. Sobrang cute nila. So, here are some pictures of me wearing these trendy scrunchies and hair clips.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
And that's it guys for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!